Hi, it's Steve. Today we're going to put a ceran-top range to an impact test. Replacing a broken ceran-top can be a big job, not to mention a very costly job. The big question is, how much can that range top take before it breaks? We put two different ceran-top ranges to the test using an average can of food as our aggressor. The first range was a bust at 4.5 feet, so we repeated the test with another one. This range bombed out at 4 feet, so on average, an impact from 4 feet meant you're buying a new ceran-top for your range. Of course, every situation is different, and you should always use caution when working around your ceran-top. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed our demolition video, and remember to subscribe so you don't miss a thing.